In 1999, a curious inventor introduced a whimsical underwater vacuum cleaner designed specifically for lakes and ponds. This ingenious device operates with a handheld design, easily maneuverable for the user, allowing for the removal of algae and debris. Surprisingly lightweight, it features a rechargeable battery and an eco-friendly filtration system. As it works quietly, it rejuvenates aquatic habitats without disturbing the wildlife. The underwater vacuum cleaner has since revolutionized the way aquatic systems are maintained across parks and private installations, creating cleaner and healthier ecosystems.